Hello everybody, it's Mrs Edwards here. It's time for Arithmetic. It is Monday the 25th of January 2021. So, last week we concentrated on column subtraction with no exchanging. So this week we are moving forward to column method using exchanging. And you can see that for bronze it is a 1-digit number. For silver, it is a 2-digit number. And for gold it is a 3-digit number. So, as I said last week, could we please use squared paper and use column method to work these things out so that we know you can apply the method correctly. It's really important we know you can use column method as you progress through the school. So I am aware that some of you will be able to do this mentally. However, I need to know that you can do this using the formal method. So here we go. Let's have a little look at the types of questions you might come across this week. So this first one, is a typical bronze question on arithmetic, okay? So 58 take away 9. And as you know, last week it was quite simple because there was no exchanging. But this week we need to exchange. So we know we cannot take 9 from 8. So what we need to do is we need to borrow or exchange one of our 10s, don't we? So we need to put a line through 5 to show that we are going to be borrowing a little bit of it, and we need to do a little number 4 above to show that we borrowed 1 and there's only 4 there now, and we then need to put the 1 that we've borrowed, we then need to put that in. Oh no, we don't need to do that, do we? We then need to put the 1 that we've borrowed in there. So let's make sure it is, let's make sure it's the right size. That needs to go down a little bit. Excuse me guys, you know what it's like with me and my computer. That's better. So if I do that, and then if I do that, and if I make it smaller, which is what I need to do, and I make it a different colour, there we go. I apologise, there we go, we're sorted now. So we've borrowed one of the 10s and we've put it here because now we can take 9 away from 18, can't we? And if we take 9 away from 18, we all know that the answer is 9. So we would put 9 in there, wouldn't we? And then we've got nothing to take away in the 10s column because it's a single digit number. So 4 take away nothing would equal 4, obviously, okay? If you're moving on to silver, this is the kind of silver question you can experience. So you can't take 7 away from 6. So as I've said before, we cross out the 3 and we go and we put a little number 2 above because we have now changed that because we've borrowed 10, and we put the 1 that we borrowed. Oh dear. My computer's clearly not feeling it, guys. I apologise. There we go. There we go. And that becomes 16, doesn't it? Now we can take 7 away from 16 and the answer is 9. And then now we've got something in our 10s column, so we need to take 2 away from 2. So our answer in this instance would be 0, wouldn't it? So our answer for that one would be 0. Now then, if you progress onto gold this week, it might look a little bit like this. Now, we cannot take 9 from 8, so we do the same again. We borrow from the 6, and we go above and we put the 5 in there to show that that's what the value there is now. And we then put the 1 value in there to show that we've now got 18. 18 take away 9, as we learnt earlier over here, is 9. So now let's look to our 10s column. Okay, 5 take away 4 equals 1, and 5 take away 2 equals 3. Now, just be aware, as the week progresses, we might not only be doing single exchanging, we might move on to double exchanging, which is where you have to borrow not once, but twice. Okay, my darlings. So, that is your method for arithmetic this week, okay? Please make it nice and clear in your method when we look at your work that you upload that you have used the exchanging method clearly, As I've said previously, I am aware you can do it mentally. We need to see you using the correct method, because this is the method that's important as you progress through the school. Okay, my darlings, there are your questions for Monday. I hope you get on all right with them. I look forward to seeing this work later. Bye bye.